Here's the app. It's called General Auto Insurance app. So yeah, let's just try to install it. So just tap get, tap, double click to install it. General's mobile app is here to help you manage your policy anywhere at any time. Whether you need to obtain a quote for car insurance, make a payment, your ID cards, or submit a claim, General's mobile app makes it easy for you. Quickly obtain a quote for a new auto insurance, make payments, schedule payments, split a payment across different payment methods, even pay in cash, access your ID cards immediately after you've signed in for the first time, start and submit a new claim, utilize our new help center for some of our most frequently asked questions. If you need further assistance, start a call or chat with us during normal business hours. Schedule a call back from our sales or customer service teams at a time that's convenient for you. So yeah, there you have it. And then yeah, you can just sign up with Facebook, Google, or Apple, or just email and password. So here's what it is. All right, so seems you just need to have an account which should be already created on the website or something. It's a bit weird, or maybe it's only available from US.